Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to rephrase the legal terms in a easy language for client. So let's get started with the video. So basically we have this legal contract or legal term, legal information with us, which we need to convert into simple language so that client can understand. What you need to do, copy the particular legal document, open ChatGPT, paste that particular document. If you have a PDF doc file, you can add that as well by clicking on this plus sign. Then write, could you please rephrase this legal terms into simple English to understand for a non-lawyer, you can write maybe so people will understand, non-lawyer or client. So as you can see that the ChatGPT have converted the paragraph in plain English, which is easy to understand as a non-legal person. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.